Hello, dear students. Now let us understand about the advantages of forfeiting. Forfeiting is basically it is a process happens between different parties like exporter, importer, banks, and the forfeiting company. Okay, that is forfeiter. So whenever exporter he is in need of fund, but he has to sell his goods to the importer, he may approaches this forfeiter, and forfeiter he approaches to importer's bank, get the payment, and meanwhile this importer he provides some documents to the through exporter he provides the document to forfeiter. So what is the process happens here is forfeiter company directly gets payment from the bank. Later date bank will receive from the importer. Okay, so this is the process of forfeiting, and different advantages on behalf of exporter side because of this forfeiting process. See, he can able to sell his goods, okay, through long-term receivables, okay, because of this forfeiting system, okay. And there are some advantages. First one is risk mitigation. He can able to avoid risk, any kind of losses, okay. Buyer default, he can avoid risk of such as buyer defaulting, or any kind of insolvencies. On behalf of buyer side, what are all the risks available, he can able to neglect those kind of risks, okay. And basically this forfeiting process, he can able to purely concentrate on the company operations, that is production, okay. So risk is less. And enhanced cash flow is something that, continuous cash flow, at any point, there is not any stoppage. Okay. Business happens in a smooth way, because of surplus, shortage of funds. So anything is not going to be stopped here. So that is because of this forfeiting system. And next is improved financial planning is there. Yes, we need to agree. Financial planning in the sense like, proper cash flow management, inflows and outflows, proper budgeting, controlling spending, so many strategical decisions. That is what financial planning, right? So that can be done using this forfeiting system because of this forfeiting. And next is no collection issues. You need not to collect the payment from the importer, right? Forfeiter, he directly collects the payment from the importer. So between buyer and seller, there is not any dealing. Okay, so that is the biggest advantage. Okay, and he can able to track down all the expenses, some, dealing with legal procedures, all these things, delays or disagreements, it won't happen. Okay, and next is what, all these things, it is since it is what happening in international trade, so some efficient and successful transaction, smooth transaction is definitely possible in this because of this forfeiting system. And market reach expansion is definitely there, and we need to agree that favorable payment terms between both buyer and seller. Okay, they agree the entire thing, agreement is already made. Okay, agreement is also saying that payment is what will be will be produced later, and that too these two parties will be involved. Okay, that is forfeiter, and next one is bank. So this supports a lot for both the parties. And balance sheet preservation, see, it comes under a non-recourse financial approach. Okay, so exporters can remove their export receivables from their balance sheets. They need not to mention. Okay, so these are all biggest advantage that we can consider because of this forfeiting system. Obviously, it also increases credit worthiness, financial ratios, and more capital that you can make from bank. Okay, so definitely you can able to uplift your business to a higher level, growth level. And flexibility is obviously there. Why? Because is any kind of deviations, changes that you want to do inside, yes, like multiple structures and interest rate agreements, whatever you want to pick, that you can select. The option is what given to both exporters and importers. Okay, so definitely we can say that too. And payment collection, see, forfeiter is completely responsible of collecting the payment from the importer. Okay, exporter, he need not to worry. And forfeiter, he takes the responsibility to contact the importer in person if at all, if it needs. Okay, or to hire a collection agent if at all that case is what needed. So in the importer's country, all that responsibilities is under the hands of this forfeiter. So because of all these different reasons, we can definitely say there are so many merits or advantages because of this forfeiting system, that too specifically for export. Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you.